Cast your minds back to 2013. Hotmail was replaced by Outlook, we were only on Windows 8, and everyone was doing something called the Harlem Shake. Now that was a strange time to be on the internet. However, 2013 was also the year the first ever Surface device was released, the Surface Pro. Now we are 9 years later and have just launched the next generation of this revolutionary two-in-one device. So prepare yourselves for tablet flexibility combined with laptop power and our most powerful Pro to date. Roll those titles. Hello YouTube, my name's Hannah and I'm part of the Expert Zone UK and I team working with Microsoft. Today I'm going to be going through a more detailed overview of some of the amazing features of the Surface Pro 9. If you just want to take a look at what comes in the box, then why not check out the unboxing video linked in the description below. It's also important to note that we're just going to be focusing on the variation of the Pro 9 without 5G and not the version with, as that will have its own separate video. There are some key differences between these versions, so make sure you watch the correct one for you. Or both. Both is good. I've already made a pretty bold claim in this video that the Pro 9 is our most powerful Pro to date. But what makes it so powerful? Well, that might have something to do with the incredible 12th generation Intel processor that delivers blazing fast performance. You can get this in both an i5 or i7 variation, and the Surface Pro 9 also comes in several variations for RAM and SSD. RAM options are 8, 16 or 32 GB, and SSD options being 256, 512 GB or a massive 1 TB. What's even better is that all the options that have a minimum of 256 GB of storage are all built on the Intel Evo platform. This means that Intel have put this device through its paces against a checklist of criteria such as battery life, boot up time and what ports the device has to ensure that you are getting a premium laptop experience. We've covered the inside, but now let's take a look at the outside. One of my favourite features is that now, just like the Surface laptop range, you can show off your personality with colour. The Surface Pro 9 comes in the classic Pro colours of graphite and platinum and now has two added new colour variations of sapphire and forest. Take a guess in the comments below which one might be my favourite. Hint? It has an inbuilt kickstand too, which means you have the ability to work on this device at the angle that suits your needs. Everything on screen also looks incredible thanks to the 13-inch PixelSense Flow display with dynamic refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The Surface Pro 9 also supports Dolby Vision IQ, which means what's on screen is always going to look great no matter if the lighting changes. The Pro 9 still retains some core Surface features such as the 3:2 aspect ratio, meaning you have more screen real estate to play with, and the 10-point multi-touch screen so you can point, drag and draw using your finger or pen. As I mentioned earlier, the Surface Pro 9 is all about having that tablet functionality with laptop power. So it's great to be able to work in either modes. But what about when you want that desktop experience? Well, why not use one of the Thunderbolt 4 USB ports to create your ultimate desktop setup when you're not out and about with your Pro? The Thunderbolt ports can power your devices, transfer data from devices to the PC, and transfer high quality video to an external monitor. This means whether you want to plug in accessories, a monitor, or simply transfer some files, you're going to have a great high-speed experience. Lastly, make sure to complete your Surface Pro 9 experience with the perfect accessory. If you want more of a laptop experience, make sure to get the Surface Pro Signature keyboard. The keyboard attaches magnetically at the base of the device and even has a convenient charging port for your Surface Slim Pen 2. The Surface Slim Pen 2 works perfectly with the Pro 9 as the device supports tactile signals, which gives a real pen on paper feel. And as you can always be out and about with your perfectly portable Pro, why not make sure you always have enough ports with a Microsoft USB-C travel hub? I'm not sure if I could have said any more words beginning with the letter P if I'd have actually tried. This multi-port adapter gives you 5 ways to connect to networks, displays and more while remaining conveniently sized so you can carry it around wherever you go. So that's everything about the Surface Pro 9 that we're going to talk about today. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, then make sure you hit subscribe and check out some more Microsoft related content. That's it from me though today. See you all soon. Bye!